Namaste children, welcome to social studies class. Children, in our previous class we had discussed about third lesson, our motherland India, and I sent those fill in the blanks and match the followings also through your WhatsApp. I hope you are all updated those in your textbook. Some of them they not came in the lesson and they given general questions in that exercise part. Those questions and also questions and answers of that third chapter I am going to explain to you in this video. Please look at your screen, all of you. Let's look at it. First main, A main, tick the right answers. In that all the questions came in your lesson. So already I explained to you these all the tick the correct answers. I hope you all understood those. Next one, true or false are there. Okay, so those are also came in your, and in that second one, the Himalayas are the world's highest mountain range. Yes, in the world highest mountain range is the Himalayas. The Himalayas is the highest mountain range in the world. Okay, so that is why it is true. Second fill in the this one, true or false. Okay, that one, and other two are okay. Okay, people lead a very easy and comfortable life in the desert. It will be easy to live in desert area, like that they told, but it is wrong. When I was explaining that lesson, I told you that it is very difficult to lead our life in the desert area. It is very, very difficult. That I explained. So these are all the true or false. Next, you come to fill in the blanks. The highest mountain in the world is Mount Everest. Second one, Satpura Hills are located in, they are in central India, middle of our India, Satpura Hills. The dash is known as the ship of the desert, camel. Camel is known as the ship of the desert. Fourth one, large water bodies surround which part of our India? Southern part of our India, south part of our India, that I told you in the lesson. Last one, fill in the blank. The largest part of our country is covered by dash part. Which part is covered our largest part of India? So it is Southern Plateau. Southern Plateau covered largest part of our India. Okay, next D main, unscramble the letters to form correct words. Here they given options. Those letters are jumbled, they moved here and there. We need to write them in order and make them correct words, meaningful words. India is the dash largest country in Asia continent. It is second largest country in Asia continent. Okay, and second one, river dash rises in the Himalayas. Which river rising in the Himalayas? Here option it is there. So if we arranged those all the letters correctly, we will get the word Ganga. Ganga is the river rising in the Himalayas. Third one, dash is a piece of land which is covered with sand, sandy area. It is desert. Next, India lies in this continent. In which continent our India is? Our India is in Asia continent. Last one, top. The top of the mountain is called peak. Where P-E-A-K, peak. So Mount Everest I told you. The top part, pinpoint of the this one mountain will be called as peak. Tudi anta karitivalla now. So that is called as peak. P-E-A-K, peak. The top of a mountain is called peak. We are calling that one as a peak. Tudi, nothing but tudi, edge of the mountain. Okay. Then questions and answers are here. So I will explain to you now these questions and see. Look at these. These are the questions and answers of this third chapter. First question, our motherland India. So here answer these questions. First questions, what is the population of India? So present population we need to write. in the year 2011, population of our country was 121 crore. In the year 2011, now it is 2020, 9 years are over. Okay, so now we are going to count again. But now approximately we are telling that the present population of India is more than 130 crore, 130 crore. Okay, 130 crore. Okay, that answer we have to write. Then after this class, I will share this image to your WhatsApp group. There you can see and write these all the questions and answers in your social CW. Okay. Second, name the highest mountain peak in the world. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Answer is, the highest mountain peak in the world is the Mount Everest. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak. Third question. Name the mountain ranges found in South and Central India. Which mountain ranges are coming in Central India and which mountain ranges are coming in South India? That we need to write. In Central India, we have Satpura Hilly range. Satpura, the Satpura Hilly range, it is coming in Central India. And in the South India, we have there Nilgiri Hilly range. Nilgiri hills are coming in the South India. Last one. What is the difference between an island and a peninsula? What is the difference between peninsula and island? Island means what? Peninsula means what? Peninsula, it is very easy to tell that a land area or a piece of land, here you can look at it, a piece of land which is surrounded by water on three sides water and one side land. If it is there, it is called peninsula. Okay, so one side land area and three sides of water. So a land area which is covered by water on three sides, it is called peninsula. Then island means a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. All sides, it means all the side will be there water only. In the middle there will be a piece of land. So that piece of land is called as island. ISLAND, island. Okay, island. Okay, then it is the difference between island is having all the side water, peninsula is having only three sides water. Okay, it is the difference between an island and a peninsula. And last question, find out which is the first Indian state that has been created on the basis of language. This answer is not there in your textbook. It is one of the general question for you. So you know that children, in India at present there are 28 states and 8 union territories. So when we got independence, after that our government, central government, it decided to reorganize the states according to their languages. Kannada speaking people need to be in the same state, Kannada speaking people all together. Then Telugu speaking people all to be in a particular state. Marathi speaking people all to be in the particular. Like that they thought and they started that they formed a commission, state reorganization committee, we are calling that. Okay, so that was established by the government. And according to that committee, the first state in India, it is created on the basis of language. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾತನಾಡೋರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ is the first state in India. It is created on the basis of language. Okay, this answer also you can write in your CW. With this, I am going to conclude my today's class. These are all the questions and answers I will share to your WhatsApp group. There you can download them and write in your social CW. Okay, take care. Have a nice day.